everybody, and welcome back to the Chateau and what is seemingly a never-ending task of tedium. However, today I have found something a little bit exciting. I found some wallpaper. Just this section, because obviously this was just wallpapered around. So, wonder how old that is. I wonder what that actually looked like. I think I'll have to come back to that though. I want to see if there's any more of that, so I won't do that section right now. But I cannot avoid the inevitable any longer. Wallpaper stripping. Okay, time to take a break from this tedium, and I'm doing, before anyone mentions, please, it would be easier from the top down, but my back is hurting and I don't want to be on the ladder and I don't want to lose precious days. So I'm doing what I can while I can. Now, what have I discovered today? Well, we knew that the phone was there, and that's from when it was a hotel. And, well, I don't know where the other end used to be. There are phones elsewhere, and we found this wallpaper, and I guess, well, it does look, I wonder if they've gone straight over the top of it all, or it's just that section, and they've gone, because it's clearly gone around the phone. And I think that's when this was a hotel, and I'll tell you why. As I've mentioned many times, and just a moment ago taking away that old telephone for when it was a hotel. When it was a hotel, I've actually got the original brochure. I've got an original brochure which I managed to buy, which shows some of it. Obviously, it shows the dining room downstairs, which is now my gym, was the kitchen. And the other part of that is it actually shows the bedroom that we're doing at the moment. And I believe you can see that wallpaper. And now if I look at the original, that's the wallpaper from the dining room, which was under there somewhere. Can you see them? They're old, and I think that is that wallpaper. I know it's not fantastic, just, I think it is. I think it is. And there is something else that I've just noticed about that, actually, which is very relevant. Let's get that view. Right, sort of over there, isn't it? I think that view. Looking at edge of a bed, that window. Now, that door there is that door there. The only difference is, which is actually quite interesting, this comes further out now compared to that picture. It's much, but it's flush against the wall, which is where it should be, because it's been extended out, as you can see, by this much, which is what it's extended off the wall, which it isn't in that picture, to make space for this little bathtub showery thing. So that's interesting, because this must have been done when it's converted to a hotel, because I don't know anybody else in their right mind who would do this. But the brochure, this wasn't here when that brochure was made, and when that brochure was made, we had that wallpaper not this vinyl. Dark comes quickly. Right, other side of that door with a little bath in, because one, I want a break from wallpaper stripping. Two, it is the nights where I have the music night up in the bar, so I don't have as much time as I normally do. So let's have a better think about this. I mean, do we actually think that this was put in by owners after or the hotel? Because I'm starting to be a little bit dubious now, because the brochure showed this obviously wasn't there because the wall wasn't extended out. And so again, up there, the ladder, you can see where it's been extended. Not by huge amounts, but I just wonder if that's going to make it really difficult to all pull out. What else to think about? Apart from if I am going to pull that back so it's flush against the wall, because they put water pipes through that, we'll undo that. We also need to know if the proper wood panelling, the decorative panelling, is behind this MDF or not. Otherwise, this could all be a very silly thing to be doing. Let's go on. I'm going to find out through there. Okay. Oh. Oh.